Mama? Who are you and what are you doing here?
I am... Sir, my name is Ifebuchi. I came to fetch water for Mama.
Ifebuchi?
Yes.
You don't have a son name?
My son name is...
Mama!
No.
Come.
Hey. Sir?
Who is she?
Ifebuchi, the daughter of Mr. Kafu. Yeah, she has been coming to help me and keeping me company. She's really a nice girl.
Really?
Ifebuchi.
Mama.
This is my son, Anozie.
Ifebuchi.
Sir?
I'm really sorry the way I spoke to you earlier. I'm sorry. And thank you for taking good care of my mother.
It's not a problem, sir. You're welcome. Mama,
if you fetch the water. Hey, very nice girl.
Mama, so
you didn't tell me I'm fine. You didn't tell me we are coming.
Mama, I decided to surprise you.
I wasn't feeling well. It was Ifebuchi that came and have been helping me since yesterday.
You are sick? You didn't tell me? No calls? Why, Mama?
It's nothing. Just old people say sickness. You are well today, tomorrow you are sick today, tomorrow you are well.
I hope you are getting better.
Yes, it's nothing.
No, Mama, okay, I'm glad. Let me get the things I bought for you.
I'll
be right back. Mama.
Oh, Mama.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, oh.
How was your yesterday?
Mama, yesterday was fine. Very beautiful. Yes, Mama. Mama.
My son bought me many things. He bought me shoes. He bought me handbags. He bought me phone. He bought me necklace. I called you. I want to give you that necklace.
Mama? Chireguru, you mean your son took his time and bought all these things for you?
Mama said.
Hey, but Mama, I don't think it is proper for you to give me something your son gave to you. It is your gift. It is for you to keep, not to give out to somebody.
Febuche,
I
want to give you from my heart. You can't reject any gift from me.
Oh, Mama.
Come, let's go inside.
Mama,
I want to give you the necklace, yes. Mama!
Mama, you give you necklace. I'll get that one for harvest on Sunday.
When I want to give you
Ifebuchi! Oh, Shimo. Oh.
Shimo. Here shouting Ifebuchi. Where she's at Mama Nozie's place. But come to think of it, this one the son is back. And Ifebuchi still goes there every day. Before you know it, these villagers will start gossiping about my daughter. I pray this frequent visit to Mama Nozie gives her a good result. I pray so. Chisom! Ewo echefukwa m na Chisom haje iku mmiri o. Oh.
Anozie, good morning. You're here.
Ifebuchi, right?
Yes, sir.
I just want to thank you for always coming to help my mother out.
Sir, it's nothing, no. I actually enjoy being around your mom. She is loving, she's caring, she's very calm and quiet.
You enjoy staying with my mother? With her shouting and nagging, you are...
Eh? Your mother shouting and nagging. If not to say I'm going to disrespect the mother of God, I would have compared her to Virgin Mary. Your mother is very calm, she is quiet, she's peaceful. Have you met my mother? Undertaker. 1 minute she's fighting, the next minute she's burying.
I know. You are constantly defending her because she sings your praises all the time.
But that's the truth now. She will say it exactly as it is.
Well, you're always welcome.
Thank you very much, sir. But truthfully, your mother is a good woman. Yes. Sir, do you have any dirty clothes so I can wash them for you?
No. You don't have to worry. I took it to a dry cleaner.
Guinea? Dry guinea? Cleaner? Ha! And why are you wasting money? Eh? You would have packed them and if you're giving them 500, you give me 100 naira. I wash every. Those people, they don't know how to wash and pit. But everywhere, they don't know how to do it. Eh?
Okay, maybe next time.
But if it's okay, I can go and collect it.
No. Next time I will. They're almost done.
Eh.
Yes. You're such a good girl.
Thank you, sir. And there's food if you want me to make something for you too. Okay, sir.
So, Mama, I've been meaning to ask you something for a long time. Yes.
What is it, my son?
And I think this is a perfect time to do that. That girl that normally visits you, the fair girl, her name is Ifebuchi. Who is she? Tell me about her. I want to know.
Yeah, Ifebuchi. She's my friend. She's a good girl. She comes around to help me do some chores in the house. She's my friend. She keeps me company. In fact, as a matter of fact, she's the one that made me not to have BP by this time.
Well, I had a conversation with her today. She seemed to be a good girl. Tell me, how close are you to her? Very close?
So, why do you act like you do like her?
Mama, why do you like answering questions with questions? This is a direct question now. Just answer me. How close are you to her?
Well, she is close to me. She's a nice girl, hardworking. She's even respectful. In fact, she's the kind of girl any mother like me would want to have as a daughter-in-law.
Mama, I don't understand. No. Daughter-in-law. Please, when we get there, we'll cross it. Mama.
Why I'm saying this is, if you like her, you better make it clear right now. Because as you are seeing her, others are seeing her like that too. So, try your best now to defy concept. My grandchildren. I want to have my own grandchildren.
Mama, I've heard you. But that's not the bone of contention here.
I am doing something in the kitchen. After we come back. Eh?
Okay, Mama.
Hey.
Are you sure this is not the best woman for me? No, she is. Mother doesn't even have any negative attributes towards her. She's respectful. That is what every man needs. She's hardworking. Yes. She is beautiful, I know. She's a wife material. And the reason my mother has not had BP. Wow. Then I'm going to live longer. I found her. Yes, I found her. Let me call Simeon. Guy, fucking pick your call now. Guy, pick your call. Yes, hello. Simeon. Yes. I found her. No. I found her here in the village. In fact, I have known her for a while now. And she's a good girl. Yes.
You're already planning to marry a girl you just met and you've not made your intentions known to her. I mean, what if she's with another man? She could be seeing someone else, you know?
No. See this one? I told you that these village girls are very good people. You understand? So now I found one in this village and I'm going to marry her. She has all the attributes that I want in a woman.
Locked in your bosom. I like the sound of that. All the same, congratulations, my brother. I wish you all the best.
Oh, fam. Thank you, bro. Wow. Thank God. I found her.
I knew it. The moment he extended his stay in that village, I knew he was up to something. Congratulations to him all the same.
Mama, what is it? Are you not happy with me? Ifuruchi, my daughter, I am not angry with you, but I am worried about you. Worried? Yes, very worried about you. Mama, why are you worried about me? What happened? Your frequent visit to Mama Anose is giving me concern. People are beginning to talk. Don't you have a ton of pride in yourself? I beg you, reduce it. Reduce the way you go there for you to be, at least to be valued. Eh? Mama, I don't understand why people are talking about this. Her son in question does not even talk to me. The young man barely talks to me. I only go there to help this woman with chores and nothing more. That is the more reason why you should reduce your visit to that house. As the son is back, please, for you to be valued, for them to see you, like, you understand what I'm saying? The more you go there every now and then, they will look you less. Okay, Mama. Listen. I will reduce the way I go there. Oh, I don't want you to be worried about me. Please, my daughter. This is our village. People talk a lot. I don't want them to tarnish your image with gossip. Mama, I have heard you. I promise you I won't disappoint you. You promise me? Okay. Have you eaten? Let me make something for you.
Food for me before
Mama, you started though. I wanted to make beans. You seem happy. Akita ibigo kwana.
Can't make food.
Now you are talking.
Yes.
Let me make something for you.
Oh, my daughter. So much. Adanji Emon. They won't value you. They won't even notice this your beauty. But if you go there with respect, Imagun, Idaba, Potawa. A man he born one de catcher now. Eh? One de catcher, one jejo, a jemba.
Good morning. You're here right on time.
Right on time. Is something happening?
Yes.
Hi.
You know, since the day I met you, I knew you were someone special, specially created for me. See, I've been thinking about you since the day I met you. What? You have someone already?
No, I don't have anybody. It's just that the thought never crossed my mind.
I know. See, I know it seems so sudden. But seriously, I am praying that we spend the rest of our lives together. We'll have enough time to know each other. And seriously, I can't take my eyes away from your beauty, your kind nature, your sweet behavior. You're just a woman any man wish to have. I don't know if that laughter is a yes from you.
Hey, Mama.
Now my mama found this love for me. Now test and see. Original love, yeah. Verified. Now my mama found this love for village. Now test and see. Original love, verified. Now mama found me love for village. Now test and see. Original love, verified. Now my mama choice to be this yo. Choice my mama.
Oh, Jesus. Ifebuchi, this one you are sitting here shamelessly smiling at yourself. I hope all is well.
All is well, Mama.
All is well.
Yes.
And you came home this early. It's very unusual.
Mama, I said everything is fine. I'm okay.
Everything is fine.
Yes.
But this your smiles. I hope that boy have not touched you.
Mama, which one is touch again now?
Then why are you smiling like this?
Mama. He said I should marry him.
Hey! Open one hour. I'm not off my day. Let me hear you well. He said you should marry him.
Telling you.
The smiles and the happiness is very much. I am sure that you have not jahe. Yes! The happiness in you, I don't understand it.
Why will I go and open my legs for him when
I want to know from you because the happiness is too much. Is it only that he wants to marry you that you are this happy?
Yes, Mom. Mama.
Yeah.
Oh, Chim. Mama, I did not do anything with him. He just told me today that he likes me very much and he wants to come and see my people. He wants to...
He asked you to marry him?
Yes, Mama.
And what did you say to him?
Yeah. Mama, this your question is very funny. Is there anybody smart they'll put honey inside and the person will spit it away? I swallowed it now. Yes, now.
In other words, I know
Said
it's
yes.
honey.
I'm the bee.
Where am I daughter? Hey! I know it's honey.
Mama, I'm the bee.
That is it. Oh, thank God though, that all the waka fetching water, doing this and that to her mother is not in vain.
Mama, it's not in vain. No. It was the way of the Lord, though. You see that movement, that way I've been going.
The way of the Lord.
Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama.
Well, when is he coming?
He said he's coming to see you people by the weekend.
Weekend in call.
Mama, now you are going too fast.
Yeah.
Calm down. He's coming to see Papa first before he comes with
This weekend.
Yes, Mama.
It's good. But then, I still maintain what I'm saying. Don't just be over-excited and allow him to touch you before marriage.
Yeah, Mama.
I know what I'm saying.
Mama, calm down. You should know your daughter.
I don't want you to bring shame to this family.
Mama, I'm not bringing shame to you. Don't worry.
Men are very tricky. You know he came from the city with their style. You know city boys now. Obanye.
But the time Papa was coming to whistle at you people's backyard.
Shut up. That time and now is not the same. Shut up.
Mama, don't worry. He's coming to see you people. Oh? Yes, Mama.
Hey! One may win, yeah? Jackpot.
Nai, you know Anozie, late Mazimba's son. He's asking for Ifebuche's hand in marriage.
How do you mean?
Ifebuche came home and told me he asked her to marry him.
Eh? And what did she say?
She accepted and said he's coming to see you.
That's fine. I'll be waiting for him.
That's a good news.
It's a good news indeed.
My daughter is getting married. My daughter is getting married. My daughter is getting After everything, that family.
Yay!
God have blessed you.
Oh, I thought...
Anozie, your mother shared something really very interesting to me. But I really want to hear it from the horse's mouth.
That's true, Uncle. In fact, that was the reason I came to your house yesterday. But I met your absence.
Yes, I was informed.
Before then, Uncle, as in, Maya, I'm supposed to give it to you, to your house, but then you weren't here, so can you go get back? Yeah, Uncle. Let me not waste your time. I am not getting any younger.
I know that.
I'm aging every day. And I thought it was that it is time I pick a wife for myself.
Okay.
And I just found a beautiful Odala in this village. Let me tell you, so we can arrange a date to bring this damsel to our home.
I am proud of you. I'm very proud of you. And it's even a good thing, you understand, that you actually decided to pick somebody from this village.
Yes.
But it's a good thing you decided to pick your father. In fact, your late father. Oh, okay. We're very proud of you. We are all proud of you, Anozie. We are all very proud of you. Do you understand?
So I will have to pick a date because I don't want to waste time. I want to do it very, very fast. Yes.
It's all this calls for big time celebration.
Yes.
You know one thing?
Hey.
People say he who finds a wife finds a good thing. You have found a good thing, my dear.
Thank you. So all we need to do now is to pick a date. I will go and bring this damsel to our home. I don't want to waste time. I don't want to waste time.
Yes.
Can you support what?
Hey,
Mama.
Thank you,
My
sir.
mama found this love for me. Now test and see.
My people. In fact, my in-laws. Hey. On behalf of my wife, my family, we welcome you to our house.
Thank you.
In-laws, you're welcome. Oh. You all are welcome.
Not to drag it too long, we have seen what you brought. And we received the message. We know everything. We don't need to. Kim? Okay, go. Please.
Okay.
Hey. We can marry now. At least.
Let's her come first.
My son-in-law. There are son-in-law we are proud of.
Yes, now.
There are some we cannot ever be proud of them. But you, Mama knows it. Congrats. If it is otherwise, I would have said something. But let us continue.
Thank you.
My daughter.
Nam.
Leah. They brought this drink. Everything. They are here to take you as their wife.
Yes, Nam. You are free to accept the gifts.
We are free.
Yes.
We are free. We are free. Now, if that is the case, you are free now. She said you are free.
Yes.
My pretty daughter. You will pay more.
I'm ready.
Mama, take care of everyone.
I am ready.
Hey, you go where you go. Agawani.
Yes.
Hey! Agabuchoni.
Now my mama found this love for me. Now test and see. Original love, verified. Now my mama found this love for village. Now test and see. Original love, verified. Now mama found me love for village. Now test and see. Original love, verified.
Hey! Hello, Zé. Chimo. Yeah. I hope you did not bring me here. I hope this is not a hotel.
Hotel? No, this is my house. I built it with my hard-earned money.
Hey, Chimo.
I hope it's beautiful.
Take another one.
Well, let me take this as a pinch of love.
Hey! Hello, Zé.
Huh?
They will hear it in the village. You will die well. On your day of your burial, rain will not fall, sun will not shine.
Nobody.
Hey!
No
Thank you for coming to marry me.
No one is dying.
Thank you for taking me out of the village.
See, I really want to say thank you for marrying me. You understand? And this is a beautiful house for us. I mean, you coming here makes it more beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, our kids littering things, getting it dirty and breaking valuables.
Bam. Obuna breaking. I'm not any child of mine that breaks anything. See these beautiful things they want to come and break.
I'm not complaining.
Hey! My husband,
you're welcome.
Thank you. Hey, yo, you see this small time that you spent in the village, grass have already grown here. You did not bring somebody to cut it.
No. It's called flower effect. No. It's there's no flower growing. I mean, it's just an artificial flower.
Also, it's design.
Yes. I mean, most of these aesthetics you see here, I mean, they cost me a lot.
Come aesthetically. Aesthetically. That is what they call it.
Whatever. Yeah.
Hello, Ziba Macau.
This time, yeah. Come. Let me show you the part of the room.
Go. The other part.
Yeah.
Hey. Hello.
No. Yeah.
Okay.
Staircase to room.
I don't see my lover. If a buche, now you go be my lover. Kibuya buche, I have found true love in you. If a buche, now you go be my lover. Kibuya buche, you're my peace of mind, my soulmate. If a buche, now you go be my lover. Kibuya buche.
Baby. How are you?
I am fine. You are welcome.
I had a long day today.
Hey, when I go see you, look stressed.
I know.
Sorry, eh?
Thank you.
Hi.
Oh, Asodu. How are you?
I am fine. I made something very, very delicious for you.
I can smell it already.
You can't, have
Smells delicious.
You know what? It's cold already. Let me go inside, make it hot for you. You go inside. I already ran your water. It's inside the bathroom.
Okay.
Have your bath. Here's something nice. Let me give you food. After you finish eating this one, I'll give you the other one in the other room.
I love the sound already.
You are in.
All right. Please sit.
Wow. Such a delicious aroma I'm perceiving. My goodness.
My wife is probably making something delicious.
For the first time in history, I'm coming to your house and I'm perceiving such an amazing and enticing aroma. Goodness.
Hold it there. What are you talking about? Well, I understand because you're still single. It's fine.
Oh. I saw what you did there. But trust me, very soon, I'm going to surprise you.
Surprised? I am only eating the dividend of my decision, which you opposed.
You need to cut me some slack. Listen, in less than no time, I'll go to the village and get myself a beautiful girl. And I'll marry her.
Village? You? When did you change your mind about city girls? When?
Can you please cut me some slack? Let me do my thing.
Really?
I said trust me. I'm going to surprise you like I said.
Uh-oh.
Go back.
My beautiful. How are you?
Simeon, good afternoon.
No. Well done.
Thank you very much. How are you?
I'm fine, as you can see.
And please, we have water, there is wine, there is juice, whatever it is you want.
Just water.
You're sure?
Yes, I don't want anything that will mess with my stomach because what you are preparing in there, I can't wait to devour them. I want to devour everything.
Oh, yeah, my kitchen, when you go. Don't worry, I will serve you everything I have in my kitchen.
I can't wait.
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you.
Okay, I'm still here. I mean, she will not run away by the time I leave.
You won't understand because you are still a bachelor.
I see. In that case, I'll move in here and learn from you.
Learn from who?
From the master, of course.
I think you have to go before she comes back. Right? Go.
Don't mess with me. I'm not leaving here, not until I devour everything that she's preparing in that kitchen.
Now my mama found this love for me. Now test and see. Original love, verified love.
It's not a problem.
Anozie, the money that you left for food and every other thing will not be enough. I need more money.
I don't understand. That is the same amount I've been giving you for weeks now.
It's last week the same thing as this week. Did you not grow more beers from last week to this week? Things changes. Things are costly in the markets. I said the money is not enough. You're not same. So me that said it now, I don't have sense.
It's okay. You don't have to shout. All right, don't worry. Just manage the one you have today. Tomorrow I will give you the money.
If you can manage, that's the one I don't want to hear. Like you will manage. Does it look like I came here to... Now, I see what you are doing. Oh. I see what you are doing. It's like you think that I'm a stupid person. Igacha, you tell me to manage. Then the money you save, you pack everything together. You go to buy jewelry, buy clothes for that your old mother. What exactly are you buying jewelry for her? Oh, Ichaya, she will stay inside the room. But she might be there, if I will die with the jewelry.
I don't understand. What is going on?
What don't you understand? What have I said that you don't understand?
Don't I buy for your mother? Have I ever denied you of anything? No, tell me.
Anose, what I'm saying is that I should be your priority. I should be the number one. Yes, if there's anything you want to do, I have to come first.
Where is all this coming from?
It is coming
from... Did anything happen?
Anose, it is coming from my mouth. It is coming from my heart. It's coming from my chest. I will say that, okay, you think I came here to manage? No, I came here to... Does it look like I came here to suffer? Mbakwao, I said the money you gave to me will not be enough. Now shake body.
Ifebuche, please. It's still early in the morning. Alright? Let's not start this with quarrel. I beg you. By the way, where's my breakfast?
Your breakfast is inside here. Which breakfast? Let me inform you, Mr. Man. There is no food. If you like, you can just go into the kitchen. You boil water. There's one old bread inside the kitchen. You make tea.
What?
What?
Are you telling me to go into the kitchen and make tea for myself? I should go to the kitchen and make tea for myself?
No.
As what?
Go there and turn water to wine. Jesus Christ. You're asking me, you don't know how to make tea? I'm asking you, Anos, you don't know how to make tea? Pikokwa, don't stress me this morning. I had my beauty sleep this morning. Let it relax and sink inside my body.
The work today was so hectic.
Okay.
Is this a new method of saying welcome to your husband? Just okay?
Yeah. Elon Musk. Very fair man. Mark Zuckerberg. No. Welcome. No, I should come and bow at your feet to welcome you. Oh, no, come and lie down now. Let me massage you. What else am I supposed to say? Nabikokwa, there's pepper in this food.
Living with enemy. If you go no be one enjoy. Living with enemy. She's wicked. Ekwen swap ya go. The devil is here to destroy you.
I'm hungry. I want to eat. Where's my food?
What's your food? Okay. You want to eat?
Yes.
No. There is no food though. You will not believe what happened today.
What do you mean?
That I got to the market. As I was going, you know that woman that sells dresses by that side I buy Ugu. I just passed her shop. The thing just caught my eyes. If you this gown. Hey! My love, if you see this gown, that is on 80. My mind was telling me, go and buy food stuff for Simba. I need to look good. One time in Pierre Reverse, I went back there and I used the money to buy that dress. So now there's no food though. Didn't you see the dress on the bed? I spread it there now.
Here. Oh. Hey.
Ifebuche. Listen to me. I am not here for your jokes, please. I'm not in the mood for that. I simply ask, where is my food? I am hungry, I'm famished. What's...
Magoda, does it look like I'm joking? I'm not joking. I am very serious. Okay. Now you are looking at this one. Hey, don't look at this food though. This is the one I cooked yesterday. This is just the remaining one, and that is what I'm eating.
Better not joke with me. Yeah. Where is my food? No, are you playing with me? What's up?
Now, why are you shouting? See the way you are pouring your spit. Eh?
Please, where is my food now?
Where's your food? Eh? You did not hear me. No, I'm asking you, I'm not saying you did not hear me when I said
don't care what you use the money for. You use it for your personal thing. That's it. I want to eat. I gave you money for that.
Why are you shouting at me? No, why are you shouting at me? Now, I said there is no food. Okay, let us make it easy. If you are very hungry, you might this Malam, the one at the junction, the one that sells Indomie, Meshai. You go there and eat one plate of Indomie now, or you rest. It is almost midnight. Just take it that you are fasting. Tomorrow morning I prepare something else for you to eat.
You've gone mad. You are insane.
You have started. Now that I'm trying to be a good wife, I'm giving you advice and you are calling. Which one is I'm insane? I'm mad. Why are you calling me mad? Listen, if you are so hungry, just wait. It will soon be midnight. Before you know night will be daybreak. Just take it that you are fasting through the night. By morning I'll prepare something else for you to eat.
What is this?
Yeah.
What have I done to deserve all this? All this ill treatment? What have I done to you?
Why are you not acting as if I'm beating you now? Why are you acting as if... Why do you want to cry? Me self, I will cry my own, oh. Or you think I'm not going through the same pain? What is it now? What have I done to you? What have I done to you now? Why are you acting like this? What kind of number? Come now. Come and quarrel. Unyala. Nonsense. You want to stress the living daylight out of me. Idiots. Oh, you think it is that village girl that you brought from the village? I will come here, everything I will do for you. Then you go back to the village and take care of your mother. When you come back at night, you come and tell me open leg, give me lion style, give me cat style, give me snake style. You think I'm the one you used to do that nonsense? No, come and continue now. You want to shout? There's food though, yeah? Come and see the food is inside. There's food inside here. Nonsense.
Stop enjoying this food. No. Because living with enemy. If you gonna be mad in joy, living with enemy. She's wicked.
I didn't come here to exchange pleasure with you. Is anything the matter? Yes! Leave my daughter alone. Allow my daughter to enjoy her marriage. Because... What do you mean? What I mean is, leave my daughter to enjoy her marriage. Stop interfering. Stop pretending you don't know what you are doing while you know what you are doing. I know you very well. You have enslaved my daughter for long in this village. Now she's married to your son. Allow them. Stop causing problem. Allow her to enjoy her marriage. Please. Did they tell you that I'm interfering? I don't want to hear anything. They tell me they don't tell me. Stop interfering. Leave them alone. I'm not off your witch. You look at her. Pretend as if you don't know what you're doing. While you are a wicked woman. Leave my daughter alone. I will not come here and warn you again. Nonsense. I hope everything is all right with you, Anoza and Ifebuche. I hope they are fine though. How can they say that? How can she say that I'm interfering in their marriage when I didn't do anything? Or did Anoza do anything bad to Ifebuche? I didn't train Anoza like that now. Didn't care that I'm causing trouble in their marriage. Nisha so toto. Oh, but he had.
I heard you went to Mama Noze's house to go and confront her. Eh? Why must you go there and embarrass yourself like that?
Embarrass myself, you said? Embarrass myself?
Yes.
No, I won't take that. I will not take that. And I will not allow that woman, after enslaving my daughter for so many years here in this village, and she still went to the city after getting married to her son, she still wants to enslave my daughter. No, I will not take that. Not while I'm alive.
How is she enslaving your daughter? Eh? Did you ask your daughter what she did? Or the husband? Did you ask him?
I don't need to ask questions. I know my daughter very well. And I know that witch very well. Nani, see, let me tell you. This marriage is not even up to 2 months. And this woman is disturbing my daughter already. And you think I will sit down and keep quiet? No! I will not take that, Nani. I will not take it. See, while I'm alive, nobody talks nonsense to my daughter. I will not allow that woman to do that rubbish.
What are you talking about? You didn't even know what your daughter did.
If you like, break your glasses. It's none of my business.
Pick it for me.
I will not pick it. You're siding that woman. I will not pick it. You're siding that woman. I am telling you that that woman is evil. And you're here siding her. Don't you know your daughter anymore? I know my daughter. If my daughter is the cause of this one, she must have told me. But no. You see, as I am alive, I am saying it now and I'm saying it again. If that woman does any nonsense, I will give it to her back to back. Fire to fire. Woman to woman.
Imagine. Everybody, hear me, oh. If that girl caused trouble in her husband's house and she's kicked out from there, I will not allow her into this house. She will not come to this house and cause stumbling block for the other for her siblings. I will not allow it.
Nani, you lie. You lie. Look at you. I don't even know whether you're a man or an infidel. I don't know what to call you. Listen, nobody keeps my daughter out of her husband's house. She will never try it. As long as I'm alive, I will fight her to the last. She will not try it. Who born monkey that she will come and torment my daughter in her own husband's house? No, I will not take it. If you like, be a chicken, be a weakling. That is your problem. But as for me, I will fight for my daughter. Nonsense. What is this? Who is that woman? What are you saying? Ha! I've not even done anything. You're saying I embarrassed her. I will do more.
I was about coming to your house. Let's go and sit down. Come inside.
I didn't come to sit down, please. I only came here to give you a warning. Let my daughter be. Allow my daughter and her husband to enjoy their marriage. I am warning you.
Hey! Hold it there. You can't come to my house to start barking like a mad dog. What is your problem? I've always known Ifebuche to be kind and humble. I'm sure you are the one blowing whistle for her.
Listen and listen good. I didn't come here to banter words with you. I only come to warn you. Allow my daughter enjoy her marriage, or you have me to contend with. Are you listening to me? Allow my daughter to enjoy her marriage, or I will so deal with you the way you will not understand.
I am not afraid of you. Who are you? Do you think I'm afraid of you? Are you not this person, or are you remaining in your shop? Okay,
you mean that? You mean you're really talking to me? Am I the one you're talking to like that?
Get out of my house.
You're talking to me.
Then you say back.
I should applaud you for trying to fight your husband, huh?
Yeah. Papa, this language you're using now is not right. Elenke will fight. I did not fight him. I just mistakenly threw a bottle at him.
Will you shut up?
Papa, what if he had hit me? Because he was looking like he was going to beat me up.
Ah.
Yes.
Ifebuche.
Papa.
Watch your attitude towards your husband. No man will like his wife to challenge him. No man.
I've heard. He himself, he should watch his own self. Which woman likes to be challenged? He should give me my respect and I'll give him his. They say respect is reciprocal. If he respects me, I respect him.
Oh. Your mouth is still sharp.
Papa, but I will state the obvious now. So this stupid man had the guts to come and even report me to my parents. Eh? Ha! Well, let me get to the house. Lazy okay. So this is what you can do. No, I am asking you. This is the best you can do. Just little misunderstanding we had there. Bam. You are in my village. Usain Bolt. That's how fast you can be, Abi. You want to report me to my parents. My father. As what now? Be a worker, I'm talking to you. As what? Why did you go and report me to my parents? Eh? Yeah, baby. Where do you think you are going? Oh, you want to walk out on me? Am I that small? I'm asking you!
Listen, Ifebuche. I'm trying my best to avoid hitting you.
Hey.
Do not push your luck. Right?
I should not do what? And if I do, what will you do? I'm asking you, what will you do? You want to hit me? You want to go ahead. I said hit me now!
Shut! You okay? Something wrong with you. Hey, listen. Don't you ever do that next time. You might not be lucky.
Did you push me? Did you push me? You will not die a good death, chimpanzee. Stupid man! That is all you can do. When you have fight with your mates outside, you won't fight them. You are coming to push me here. Mike Tyson. In fact, I'll keep with this fight. Yeah? Okay. Okay, this fight that we started, we must complete it. Hey! So he had the cause to even stay out till this time of the night. And he's not picking my calls. Hey! Ifebuche, you have suffered. You have suffered, even not for that little thing that pushed you to come into this marriage. You can't remember. I was hot in the village. Only one was here. Somebody that I managed to marry. Hey! Anyways, I'm waiting for him. Let him come here and meet me in the house. Sneaking out now, you want to go out, Abi? Eh? Shit. Oga, it is me and you today. We will tie one wrapper in this house. Because of you, I slept on the couch, waiting for you all through the night. You have gone now. See how you are smelling yash. All those women, they have used you, dumped you, washed you, and now you are back to the house. You want to sneak out again. Where did you go last night?
I came back, you were sleeping.
I was sleeping and you could not wake me up. For what? What time did you come back? I am asking you, what time did you come back? Okay, this is what you do now. Eh? Just small quarrel like this, small fight, oh. Let me correct all this your bad behavior that you have. Bam! You ran to my parents the last time. Now the new one you have learnt now is to be going outside, be sneaking out, and going to meet all those small girls. So why? No, I'm asking you?
There's something wrong with you.
Are you sure you are ill? Let me check. Are you sure there is this scrotum here? Because I still ask you again, are you a man?
There's something wrong with you. Were you not the one that ran to your parents first and report us? What kind of a woman pick a fight with her husband all the time? Emily Game, is something wrong with you? You challenge your husband at every given time. You are lazy. Beautiful without brains.
Jesus.
I don't know. Look at you. You are so useless. A girl I picked from the village, from the gutters, and now you are looking quite okay and you feel you can talk to me anyhow. Is something wrong with you? Is this village mentality disturbing you? Huh? I ask you again. Go out there. See how other ladies pamper their husband. Treat their husbands. Care for them. And you're here always picking quarrel, fighting, shouting the whole building down. Oh, never make it easy. If you try this next time, you will see the other side of me. Now get out of my... Get out!
What was it? Village girl. Hi. Me that was hot in the village. I cannot say that village girl. Hi. Beauty without brain. It means I'm a stupid person.
Living with enemy. If we go no be mad in joy. Living with
Why is he still looking at me like a village girl?
she's
I need to
Uh-huh. I have the prescription from the doctor.
I cannot go and collect the drugs this evening. I don't have any money with me. And we are even owing the doctor.
How much are we owing him?
5,000 naira.
5,000 naira.
Yes.
Okay. This is 7,000 naira. Pay for what we are owing him and then use the rest to buy the drugs.
Then you told me in the morning you had no money with you.
And I had small in the house. And then my in-law sent me some money.
Your in-law sent you some money? That reminds me. Our daughter called me earlier. She told me that she reported to her mother-in-law that her husband hit her. I even went to the mother-in-law's shop today.
To cause trouble again?
No, I didn't go to cause trouble. She was even the one that called me to come. Yes, we are even getting along.
You know, all you women are the same. All of you.
Is that all you could say? Oh, eat food. That's what you know how to do. Eat.
Everybody has a hobby. My own hobby is to eat food. Your own hobby is to...
Look careful. I know my brother's son is here. Will never do such a thing.
Are you calling me a liar? Is that?
Look careful. I never called you a liar. But I know my brother's son. It depends on how you see it, Okafor.
I would have believed you. But the bruises I saw on her body and her hand says otherwise. Look here. I didn't give my daughter to you as a punching bag. No, I didn't. Please, and please again. Let me believe this is a mistake. But this shouldn't happen again.
Careful, it won't happen again.
Huh?
It will not. I'm careful.
It better not. I'm home. Open the door. I'm home. What's going on here? How will she leave the house without waiting for me to come back home? Open the door now. I'm back.
Has really changed. She has changed beyond recognition. We're always fighting, quarreling over little things. Seriously, I can't deal with this anymore. Just imagine I came back from work and Ifebuche had the temerity to lock me out of my house by this time.
You mean she did that?
Just like that.
Just like that?
Just like that. See, I'm really tired. I'm so tired of everything. Is this how I'm going to continue living?
Calm down.
She's driving me crazy.
Nah, Biko, calm down. Calm down. Hopefully we'll figure things out and everything will be fine. Just calm down.
Wait. Is this who she is? Has she been pretending all along?
Pretending all along while staying with your mother, despite the fact that she didn't even know you all those times.
Exactly. maybe she was doing all of those to gain favor. And now she has everything she ever wanted. Now, misbehaving, doing all sort of things, quarreling with me. I don't have peace of mind.
Calm down. I have this strong conviction that everything will be fine. Just calm down. Be calm.
Please, do you have water?
Sure.
Did you see that thing that I was saying? How could she lock her husband out of the house? Is she protecting her marriage or she's ruining it?
Let me ask you a question. Is it every time they had a little problem, Anoze will call you?
Anoze did not call me. I called my in-law to say hi to him. And he started telling me all the things that has been happening.
And you choose to believe him over your own daughter, a child you raised?
No! A child you raised! Yes! Have you not been allowing her to get away with all the things she does in the house there? Have you not? Now the whole thing is bouncing back to you. You are complaining. What are you complaining for? For what?
Men! Men! All of you are just the same.
Can you see?
What about Jagwa? Oburunneya? Yes, when a daughter behaves bad, it is the mother. And when she behaves well, hey, her father's daughter. Her father's daughter.
Of course, she got all her behavior from you. Ikpeama, you are always wise. You have never been wrong in your life. Have you? If they push that girl out from that house, he's not coming to my house.
They dare not. Nobody can do that to my daughter. They dare not.
Okay.
Weakling.
Oh.
That is who you are. Weakling. Taking side with other people.
Me?
Instead of your daughter. Yes.
Wait, I'm coming for you.
I'm okay, just trust.
Oh, from work, I guess.
I am okay, just trust.
Oh, work stress, I guess.
No, it has nothing to do with my job. Just family problems.
But I hope everything is actually fine, right?
The thing here is that my mother thinks I'm at fault. She thinks I do not care about my woman. I mean, she's seen it as if I'm very ununderstanding. I don't get it.
Don't worry, my brother. Everything will surely be fine. Meanwhile, there is this company that produces cable wire. And they basically need people to distribute the product across the country. For now, they don't have a base in the country yet.
Really?
Yes.
Are you trying to say that we have chances of traveling to China and start doing business with them?
Of course. If you secure the contract, why not?
Wow. I think it's worth giving a try.
You can say that again. In that case, we will be traveling to China by next week.
This is good news, seriously. It is good news. I mean, thank you for bringing that offer. I mean,
what are friends for? You can always count on me.
It's very good. Thank you.
So it's safe to say congratulations to us in advance.
I just put a smile on my face. I mean, I have been moody all this. Thank you.
What is going on? Yeah, Chireno, thinking about the speed. Eh? It was just barely 2 days ago you told me that you were traveling. And you were just going to leave like that.
What do you want me to do? Do you want to come with me?
How long are you staying?
Well, I'm leaving the country. I'm traveling for a few months.
Yay! Few months, Acha. And you are just saying it casually as if you are going to the backyard to buy chin-chin. Eh? Moreover, you You know you're going to live for a few months and you gave me that small money. How am I supposed to survive in the next few months with that thing that you gave to me?
My goodness, what is wrong with you? For you, it is about money, money, money. There's nothing else. Are you not even concerned about my safety?
No, don't charge for me.
Are you not concerned about the fact that I'm leaving you for? Are you not going to miss me?
Yeah. You see this small thing I said, now your veins in your forehead is showing. Small thing, you will just be shouting and be fighting as if we are quarreling. Moreover, why am I supposed to be concerned when you barely talk to me in this house? You did not even tell me that you just said it to me. It's just been a year that we've been together and you are talking about traveling for a few months already. Who is supposed to be angry in this case?
See, please, I do not want us to fight. Alright? All you need to do is to pray for me, pray for my safety. That's all. Pray I go and come back. What is the problem with all this money thing and nagging all the time?
More nag. Oh, wait for ya. When I decide to be sober, I just jejely came here now just to tell you that the money that you gave to me will not be enough. So that I can pet you and give you a hug before you leave. Now you are calling me a troublemaker.
It's alright. It's alright. I will send you some money before I leave.
King of my heart. What come it's okay. Paracetamol wine. My fine husband. Please don't forget to send the money up to my Echo Bank. Udo? Hey! What to do that? Just travel like that and leave me here to suffer. Let me balance and watch something nice.
Madam, are you blind? What do you mean? No. Why do you have to send me with your eggs? Look at Mokoro. Is this how these girls behave in this street? Is this how you behave in this estate, Abby? Look at this walking trouble. On my own. I'm even complaining that you broke the egg that I'm managing. My husband gave me money and traveled. I'm managing and you broke it and you're telling me if I'm blind. You called me walking trouble. You are a walking trouble, Neb. You are a walking trouble. You are a singing trouble. No, you are full of trouble. You are a knocking trouble. What kind of nonsense is this? Is this how you behave in this estate? Is this how you behave? Is this how you are? How can you be walking and be making calls? Are you blind? Are you blind? Can't you see? Look at Mokoro. How much is your egg, my friend? Let me pay. You want to stain my entire body with egg? No, that egg is 8,700. How? Name the money. Is this Lagos? Hey! It's 5,200 naira, my friend. Give me my money for my egg. What kind of nonsense? Do you know how much my perfume is? Auntie, give me my money for my egg. You're lucky I'm in a good mood. It's not I'm in a good mood. I will give you trouble. I'm here looking for how to manage with the small money my husband gave to me. You are coming to break the small egg that I have left. Give me my money. Take. This is madam. What your egg for? Just take it, add it. Take now, madam. You know what I call that money? Hey, auntie, uncle. Take before I go change my mind. What is this? Why you they shout? You know, yes, you see me that they shout. I know they shout. Why you they shout? Now you first start to they shout. It isn't only you sabi shout. All of us they craze. Auntie. Uncle. I said the egg now 8,000. Take them. That one manage them. Hey! Hi, auntie. God bless you. Where are you from? No verse. My house just stay down here. Now egg I go buy you. That's all like I did. No, so they do. No say sometimes you go just make trouble. You go. Fine girl. Make I carry your box. Sorry, I dey find 12. I just come here. Anywhere where you dey find, tell me. Make I dey go show you the place now. I say go carry your. Bring your handbag. I just dey come home with my sister. And they stay for the other estate. You say now where you dey find? One man just buy me house around. He say 12A. Now the man I be dey talk to for phone before the. They buy house for you. They buy you, my sister. I say make I just the manage and she never buy me car. Make I collect house first. Hey, no say house they appreciate. Hi, bestie. Oh, you make with the go. Bestie, make I go show. Hey, where you dey find? No, you no fine. Now Twinny they go for Lagos. Okay, that's Twinny. Okay. Oh my God. Make we go. Make I go show you.
I was your today about his travel. You see, I'm so happy that my brother's son has gone beyond his father.
That our children will succeed.
Exactly.
And surpass us.
Exactly. I even heard he's to go.
Is that that the place Ugochukwu is?
That's the place. And you see, he said he has been calling you, but you're not answering his calls. Okay, man.
No, Choloko. One strange number has been calling me.
Let me see.
But I didn't understand it.
Come.
See, oh yeah.
That's him now. That's him. That's a foreign number.
He's calling again. Hello? Anozie. Don't be offended. Oh, number has been calling me. Man, no, I cannot budge. Where's the number? Can happen.
Wow. I know already. I knew you will get it. Wow, you deserve it, my brother. You deserve it. You're welcome. I mean, you don't need to thank me. You would do same for me. You're more than a brother. And you deserve this, my brother. Return home. Your visa has not yet expired. Why not spend a little while there? You know, have some fun. What favor? Wow, Odogunwoke. You sure do know how to spend your money. Okay, that won't be a problem. I will contact my agent, and by tomorrow, you start searching for a befitting property for you. I know what you like. Trust me. All right. Once again, congratulations. Take care. This is incredibly beautiful. I know for sure he'll surely love it. I really have eyes for good things. Wow.
This is so good.
You like it, right?
I love it. I love it. You sure know what I like.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You do. Thank you so much. Wow.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. My God.
Oh, wow.
The bricks.
Yeah.
I love the aesthetics. I mean, this is so nice.
I'm glad you like it. Thank you very much for trusting me.
Thank you so much.
So, shall we go inside? I mean, there's so much beauty to admire inside.
Of course.
And trust me, your wife will be super excited when she sees this.
No, Mba. No. See, I do not want my wife to know anything about this place. Please, I beg you. Let this be secret between you and I. Right?
Of course, you can count on me. Your secret is always safe with me. Trust me, I won't tell anyone.
Good. You see, you're my friend. And I'll tell you the truth. I do not see any future between my wife and I any longer. Yes, I really want to do away with her, but that is by the way. But please, I beg you, keep this a secret. Let it be between you and I.
You can count on me. I mean, you are more like a brother to me.
Thank you.
Once again, congratulations. Congratulations.
I love it here, so I won't just stay here for a while before I go home.
All right, no problem. So let's...
Yeah.
You are getting a hang of it gradually. I am getting a hang of it fully, or gradually. I'm moving on a fast train. See you. Hey! I am so glad that I met you. I can't remember the last time I was this happy. You see big vein in my forehead. Why? Anger. Suffer. Quarrel. Talk. Just everything that makes me sad. But thank God I met you.
Hi. So, what about your husband? No fun? Nothing?
Who's your husband? Is that one my husband that be my wife? Achalugo. Is that one? Is that one a husband? Eh? When they are talking about men, you talk about strong. Bro, that's one. I don't even know why I got married in the first place. I'm telling you, I regret getting married.
Didn't you two date? Like, one or two? You guys didn't run one or two?
Date who? My dear, we did not date though. I was just this village naive girl that was happy about getting married to a man from the city. Oh. Yes, now, you know when you're in the village, you just hear one bobo came from the city. Bam! That was it though.
I'm so sorry. So, you married him because you want to come to the city?
Now. Hey, my dear. Just to come to Lagos. So. You know that time when I was in the city, when we were in the city, we hear all these men in the city, they are, you know, dogu.
Then they hot.
Yes, now.
Then they hot.
In my head, if I come to the city as I'm married to this man, tomorrow I'll buy Benz. Next tomorrow I'll enter play. Play no back, that's one that I've been hungry me since I was a child. This man has not carried me inside.
Wait. Now night bus you take come Lagos.
Until car we take come Lagos. We travel from village with car.
Does he even give you money?
Let me not lie, he's trying, no, but that is not the kind of money I need. I come need Rikita. If somebody just come near me and breathe, they will breathe money. If I cough dollars. That's why I'm just hoping that this trip that he went to in China, that he comes back with plenty of money. If not, let him just die there. There is no need to come back now. Yeah.
Oh, cheers to your morale. I like it. You have mind. This is how you make money.
Where can I make money in this Lagos? I want to be rich.
Let's go to the nightclub.
Look at my beautiful angel. Come. home. What was that behavior for? What was that embarrassment for in the presence of my friend? Is this a new method to welcome your husband that flew all the way from China to Nigeria? Really?
Can't you hear me? That's China that you flew all the way from. You crossed water, Abby? Because as it is, that plane that you entered is supposed to fall inside that water. Let the fish that swallowed Jonah swallow you. Because I don't see any reason why you came back to this house. No, like, your mates will go to China when they are coming back. You see things. Things are happening. If they're not coming back with luxurious cars, some of them even come back with private jet. Did you not see this Christmas that just passed? If you not your Uzaza, you did not see Obi Kubana, you did not see Vintage. Didn't you see men of timber and caliber as they were flying into town in Giwaga, China? They were flying from Lagos to East. You went all the way to China and you came back with this box that Lord Lugard used during amalgamation. That is what you are telling me to now come outside and open. You could not even buy me one thing. That small box of jewelry. You could not. The same box you traveled with is the same one you came back. And I should come and welcome you. I should open my hands and welcome you.
So you actually want me dead? Really?
One me just got back. Please, you need to take it easy.
Don't tell me to take it easy. Don't tell me to calm down. How can my wife give me this kind of welcome? Flying all the way. Do you know how many oceans I crossed? In my house? Insulting me like this?
Hey, when men are mentioning house, don't count yourself, because this one is foul cage. This, what do you mean by house? You're just here shouting up and down. My house. Is this one house? Men are talking about houses. You are coming out to show yourself. Okay, you think it's this iron you're wearing. You went to China and Chinko people gave you iron. If thunder strike now, to strike that iron on you, down on the floor. You're telling me about house. Nah, Biko. You see, since that you left, I've been on a soft era. Don't come back here and come and spoil my baby girl life. I don't need it. Have you heard me?
Anemuke, you need to calm down. You just got back from a long trip. Just calm down. You need to relax.
Please, child, sit down. Let me go and freshen up and come back.
You know what? You'll see later. I need to leave. I need to run along, yes. Just take it easy.
Go see me on bye-bye.
Living with enemy. If you go not be mad in joy. Living with enemy.
Just spread like malaria. Spread everywhere like the shit. Go upstairs.
To destroy you. And you're beautiful. The devil is here. The devil is here to destroy you.
Babe, calm down. No, you didn't do well. You didn't. Calm down. Just calm down. You could have welcomed him first. Besides, he just got back. Men have their ways of doing things. He might just be taking his time. Take it easy on him. Baby girl, you should be nice and gentle on him. That is the only way you can assess him. Be nice and gentle, alright? Show some love. That's it.
Very.
When the cloud exists, how can you
I was actually going for a meeting,
Okay.
but it was cancelled. So I said, let me bright and see my brother's wife and know how she's doing. How are you doing? Odikwa?
If you go there, I'm the woman now. No problem.
Okay.
I'm good.
In Anukonu, Anozie,
Yes.
you heard from him?
Yes. He said he has come back to the country.
Huh?
And he's promised that he will be coming to see us. He brought good things for us. Even he brought something for you.
So, how about I go?
He has come back.
You will know Igbo. Hey, Chukudalo.
Oh, Chukwu.
Hey.
Ejo abato uto, deka all this. Ojo please. Ifebuche, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine.
Is anything the matter that you are talking to me that way?
Which one is anything the matter? What kind of question is that? Is that what you called me to ask me? Eh?
Are you my daughter-in-law speaking, or did anybody steal your phone?
Mama, Biko. If there's anything you need to know, call your son Anozie and ask him. And stop stressing me. Here, oh, Chim.
How dare you speak to my mother like that?
Namagi woye. Oya moro Jesus.
Ifebuche. Hey, okotokwa my phone. Okotokwa phone. Ifebuche.
No, is she maybe? Who is she that nobody will talk to her? Eh?
Listen to me, Ifebuche. I can take all your rubbish in this house, but I will not have you insult my mother like that. Are you okay?
No, you're shouting at me. I should have said it. No, it has been in my mind since. Oh, Anozie, your mother is now top priority to you. No, I'm asking. I can see that you prefer your mother over me. That is the simple truth.
See, I will not tell you this again. Do not dare talk to my mother in such...
Points me again. Let me bite. Anozie, what do you want to do? You want to hit me? Anozie, you want to slap? Go on now. See my face. Anozie, see my face. Slap me. Nobody can talk to your mother again. You're raising shoulder for me. What nonsense. Okay, you think I'm that quiet girl that you brought from the village? You want to... Now, if you try it, Kita, Nyegi smack down Undertaker. You want to hit who? Try it now, let me see you. Nonsense. And I know that's your mother. I know exactly what her plan is. Her plan is to ruin this marriage. That is her exact plan.
Is this what you call marriage? A marriage that you openly disrespect me, disrespect my mother, everybody that comes here you disrespect. Behave like a tout.
No, see Tolo. You that I managed to marry, you're asking me, you who is married to you too? What? Who is married to you? Does it look like I'm married to you? Yeah, I know, say, respect yourself. Respect yourself. Quick. Nonsense.
Today is your lucky day.
Yeah. See how he's bouncing, puffing his shoulder, as if he comes to fight now he can fight me. Bouncing baby boy.
Now my mama find this love for me.
I don't even know why they bought phone for that old woman. Somebody that's supposed to be in a grave and they have phone. They call your iPhone for that matter. Eh? Ha!
Simeon, listen to me. This is not getting any funny. That girl is going... In fact, she has gone crazy.
But she used to be closer to your mom. How come she's now saying things like this?
Joanna now? Ask me. She nags over every little thing. Even talking to strangers as if they are babies. See, the truth is that I can't continue living in that house with her.
I understand your point very well. I understand. But I think you should call her people. You know, so that they can talk to her. Maybe her mom, her elders, so that they can at least advise her and help you curb this menace.
What are you saying? You want me to sit down and discuss about this issue with their people? No, it's embarrassing already. I mean, to the fact that she's been reporting our case to them. So you want me to call the elders to discuss such? No way.
I get your point, my brother. But you know, you are my good friend, and there's no way I can advise you wrongly. I still insist. There are measures you can put in place to curb our excesses. Please, before you take that final step, do everything within your power to
Simeon, you want to know the truth? I will not sit and discuss anything with anybody. It is embarrassing already. I would rather tell their people to come and take her away. I'm only respecting her father. If not, she would have been long gone a long time ago.
I understand, but I'm only pleading for you to take things easy. Just take it easy.
You're not in my shoes. That's why you're saying this. You're not in my shoes.
Living with enemy. If we go no be mad enjoy. Living with enemy. She's wicked. Ekwen swap ya go. The devil is here to destroy you and your beautiful home. The devil is here. The devil is here to destroy you and your beautiful home. Ekwen swap ya go. The devil is here to destroy you and your beautiful home. The devil is at work. The devil is at work to destroy you and your devil. Living with enemy. If we go no be one enjoy.
Did Danusi really mean it when he said, this is not marriage? Like I'm not his wife anymore. Is that the reason this man is still out by this time of the night? He has refused to come back to his own house. Ha! Okay. Let me call him. Oh. He's not picking up. But wait for phone now. You will answer it. I will call your phone until the battery dies. Now give me. Eh? Hey! Anozi, you better just pick this call wherever you are. Because the thunder that will strike you where you are, you won't even believe it. We'll be here the whole night.
The devil is at work.
Daddy, Jesus Christ, welcome. Okay, where did you sleep last night? Am I talking to myself?
No, am I talking to myself? You had the guts to sleep out last night. And I'm asking you a question. You are still looking at me.
Did you slap me?
No, I just fly aeroplane for you now. It is not slap. And if you try it, I will give you a...
Hey!
Jesus God.
Come on, listen to me.
Come on.
Let this be the first and last you will try this. In fact, this will be your last. And you're leaving my house today. You are leaving my house.
I was saying, this fight, leave this house. You don't want to leave this house. Let me die.
When she did that,
I'm very, very serious. She messed me up. She broke most of my valuables in my room.
and you didn't touch her.
What are you saying? I'm trying my best to avoid touching that girl because she would die in my hands. And that is why I am living here.
At this point, I don't envy you at all.
You wouldn't understand. You won't. It feels like that girl is after my life.
I mean, at this point, don't you think you need to let her people know about all of these things that she has been doing?
See, I will just call them to come and carry her because she has bitten more than she can chew, right? And the whole thing here is that I'm not even interested in having any meeting with their family member. I'm done. Like done.
This man hasn't come home since that time.
He slept out. They confronted him and he threatened to throw you out.
You know, this is very unlike him. The man I got married to is calm, collected. I don't know how things just changed and he became a different person entirely.
He's seen another woman. I'll tell you. Yes.
No, it cannot be the same man that I got married to. I know Anozie. I know the man I got married to. Anozie is not a womanizer. He's not a woman person. So, yes.
I know men. They will never accept it, even when you catch them. Your husband is cheating on you. So you better stop complaining and sit up. Else, he will come back to this house someday with another woman pregnant for him. My girl, now you go lose. I tell you.
God forbid it. Not Anozie. The Anozie I know, I'm very sure he's at Simon's place. He cannot be with another woman.
My sister, you see all these hot city girls where they are nyash soft like bread. You can't they bounce. Those girls, they go down knock your husband left, right, center. They don't give a different style. Just they play. Keep complaining. Not do anything until they go come back, push you, come up for this house. Marry another woman, put on top. If you complain, you go collect it in join.
And it's okay. What do I do? Please help me. What do I do?
Are you sure? Because for my academy, that chapter 2, you get waiting then they call her. Would you like to know?
Yes.
It is called Let's Do It My Way.
Which is?
Welcome, sir.
A bad woman can turn your life upside down. Be it a city or a village woman.
Now my mama found this love for me. Now taste and see. Original love, yeah. Verified love. Now my mama found this love for village. Now taste and see. Original love, verified love. Now mama found me love for village. Now taste and see.
Okay, I pray she doesn't lose that good man that God gave to her. Because if she does, she will not return into this house.
My husband, calm down. Be calming down. At least you should have talked to him. Beg the man to calm down. Instead, you are here shouting and blaming me. Is it my fault? Is it my fault?
Oh, do you know how ashamed I was when I heard that my daughter slapped her husband?
What? My husband, please calm down. Calm down. I will go to Mama Anozie's house. I will talk to her, beg her to bake her son for us, please. Just take it easy.
Whatsoever you are doing, it's none of my business. You are on your own. Go to her, see how you are going to clean up your shit there. It's not my business. It's your own business.
My husband, please calm down. Calm down, everything will be okay. Eh? Hi! Ifebuche. Ifebuche, what is all this problem now? Eh?
When you talk to the air, and the air refuses to listen, when the head is cut off, the air will follow suit. Febuche, I warned you. I really warned you. But you refuse to listen to me. You have pushed the man out. Your husband, you pushed him out of the house. Now you are coming back to me for help. To do what? Which kind of help?
Papa, really, I didn't know what I was thinking. But it's not as if I even treated him so badly. Yes, it's not like I pushed him that hard that would make him just leave the house like that. It's been a month now. I can't reach him on the phone. He's not coming. He has not come back home for a month. He's not picking his call. He's not talking to me, Papa. That's not fair now.
Febuchi, you are just lucky that he didn't bring you back into this house himself. I would have sent you out to the street.
Papa?
Yes. Because I'm not ready in any way to put another man's wife under my roof. Why should I do that? I will not.
I was only just trying to make him fulfill his responsibilities as a man. There was nothing else I did that would have warranted him to leave the house without coming home for a month.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, just go and thank your God. Just thank your God that another woman has not taken him away from you.
Papa, you also think it's possible for another woman to take him away?
Oh, is there anything that is not possible? Tell me. Just go and pray hard.
Papa, please, you need to talk to him. Help me beg him. I swear, I will not disobey him again. Whenever he comes back home, I'll be very respectful. I won't fight him again. Just help me talk to him, please.
Is that a promise?
It's a promise, Papa. I promise you.
It's a promise?
Yes.
That you will change?
I will change.
Okay. I'll talk to him on your behalf. But please, when you get back there, behave like your father. Don't behave like your mother.
Ah, Papa.
Yes.
Tell himself to behave too. Although I've changed, but let him be. And yes, now, it takes two to tango. If he changed me, I change too.
Oh.
Okay, Papa, just talk to him. Whatever, please. Be cool.
It's okay.
Obanje biakelenu chimu chimula Hariri nevanu wa chimu biakelenu demebulam Hagamala kwa bada munu me kanju kelenu Ichaku wa madu wa mongwa mihi kuto kwa gina kudhiri mawegu Akune chanyi nobu isi mawu Asimu basinga ba mawu Na wanyi ngesiri muni wanyi sisi ene jama we babu ya nava Asimu kata ka wanyi gabisi mawu noboda Mubakra bekulenu buru mawu kamawu bakalenu Chaku wa madu wa moputa na mawu Asuna ba chwa jama hu de na he mere be mmo.
That's true.
You said that your husband had been sleeping away from you.
Yes. Yes, wise one, he has.
I didn't never know what to move back alone. They bulam. Is that right? Check one mother one more. Take this.
Take it. Stop delaying the gods.
Sprinkle a little portion of it in his food. Then he will become yours forever. He will never slip away from you any longer.
Just like that. Yes. Thank you so much. Okay, Dibia.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Dibia.
Thank you, wise
Okay, Mo.
Oh?
Thank you.
Oh, Mo.
Congratulations. You have made it, my friend. Hold it, it's for you. I can hold it. I'm scared. Hold it. No, I'm scared too. What if thunder strikes me? What about me? Do you want me to die? Hold it. It's for you. Hold it. Hold it with steeze and composure. Thank you, wise one.
Simon, because you know, because I am begging you. I swear to God, I have changed. All I'm asking is that you just tell my husband to come back home because I will not stand up here. This is where I'm going to kneel until my husband comes out. Tell him to come out now. Hey, Simon, because please tell him that I have changed. I want him to come back home.
Lolo, you know what? Just stand up. Get up.
No, I'm not standing up from this place. I'm not standing up. Until you go inside and call my husband. Go and call him for me.
Your husband is not here. I wouldn't lie to you. He's not here. Okay, you know what?
Are you sure he's not here?
He's not here. You know what? Just stand up. I promise you. When next I see him, I'll talk to him. Yes, I'll talk to him.
Simon.
But
Simon.
for now, just stand up.
Please, see, I swear to God. Now, see, I've even joined Christian Mothers in church. I have joined choir. I don't give trouble again. Just beg him. Tell him I'm begging him. Let him come back home because, you know.
I will do just that. Once I see him, I'll talk to him. But for the meantime...
Okay, call him on the phone. Please, just call. At least let me hear his voice. Please. Call him on the phone. Biko, just call him now. Biko.
I promise I'll talk to him when I see him. His number has not been connected.
Hey, Simon, you are lying, no?
How would I lie to you? But you call him too, he doesn't connect. He doesn't connect here either. But I promise you, I'll talk to him when next I see him.
I'm not going home. I'm not going home. I'm going to stay here with you until I talk to my husband.
Just put yourself together, okay?
I'm okay.
I'll talk to him.
I'll wait here until you talk to him.
Lolo, meanwhile, can I offer you anything?
I don't want anything. I want my husband. Sorry, I'm not shouting. No shouting.
Just put yourself
together. Ezi ogo. Ogo bụ chi onye. My dear, I came to beg you. I know that what she did was wrong, but please, forgive her. People should forgive her. And you know she's still a child. Biko, ụmụaka, a na-eme ama uche ha, ada akpakọta biko. People should forgive her.
Arifi, you don't have to do that. It is not in my power to make decisions for him. Let us wait until when he comes back.
He didn't tell you where he went to?
No, I don't know about that.
Are you sure he's still in the country? He didn't leave the country.
I don't know. He didn't tell me. Let us wait till he comes back, right?
Okay. As we are waiting, you know you are in the right position to talk about Ifebuchi. You know how kind she has been because she practically live her life here in the village with you. She's always with you, even more than me, the mother. Every time. Mama will say house. Mama. So you know her very well. You know her. So Biko, Kaiha, Dika, I want tatara na abali.
It's a bad dog.
Biko, no
problem.
Biko.
Pardon.
You see, I can say can be a yogi. Please, my in-law, please.
Well, I know.
Hey.
I am being honest right now. She has been looking for you. And she has cried her eyes out. You need to understand.
I know. I just don't want to continue with that. Please.
Then at least you need to see her. Try and reconsider things. Trust me, she's a totally changed person. That's what I feel. So you need to give her a second chance. You just need to think about it and reconsider.
It's not about change. I just don't know how I feel about the whole thing.
I understand your point. But you know, change is the only constant thing in life. And at this point, I totally feel she has changed. So the onus is on you for you to give her a second chance. Kindly consider it, my friend.
Something is not right. My heart just feels heavy. Should I go ahead with a divorce?
I don't know how I made this mistake. I don't know how this happened. What if my husband doesn't come back? What do I do? Where do I start from? Oh, Ife, do you trust me? Yes. Then hear this. Your husband will come back. This is his house. He can't just run away just like that. No. Remember what that man said. He told us that he will come back. So just relax. Just calm down. Give him some time, you know. I'm sure he will come back. Don't cry. I don't know what else to do. I'm just confused. He will come back. Alright? I'm certain. Okay. 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 Do you want something to drink? No, I'm good. I just want you to be good. Do you feel alright? I'm fine. I am sorry. I'm deeply sorry from the deepest part of my heart, Biko. Biko, forgive me. Forgive me. It's you I'm talking to. I know I've offended you, but I'm begging you, please.
Is this one of your jokes or what are you?
I am not joking. I'm serious. Biko, no. I'm sorry for everything. See, I've changed though. I have changed and I don't look for trouble anymore. I even went to join Christian Mothers in church. I joined choir. I've been doing everything to make sure that I'm a good person. I swear. Biko.
You promise?
I swear to God, anytime I cause you trouble, just send me home. Biko. Biko, I cannot survive this world without you. Biko. You're sure? Yeah. Have you forgiven me?
Yes, provided you don't go back to your old ways.
I swear to God, I will never do it again. I won't. Now I'm going to smile now. My fine husband. Obi, see the bed is scattered. Let's arrange it small now. You know, it's been long we put this bed in place. Yes, it's been a long time.
But I'm always here.
Okay, what we'll do now is I made food, something very special. Let me go downstairs and, voila it very well so that you have energy. I want you to scatter this bed tonight. Let's call carpenter to fix it tomorrow. Oh? Biko. Opium. Welcome. My husband. Hi. Let me go downstairs. Oh, just relax. Hi. I've been very lonely.
Yeah, really?
Yes, in the night as if witchcraft used to pass here since you were not around. Shower, oh. Don't wear anything. Come here. Manu! Ababa Manu! I'm coming, oh.
Now my mama found this love for me. Now test and see.
She acting up.
Original love, verified. Now my mama found this love for village. Now test and see. Original love, verified. Now mama found me love for village. Now test and see. Original love, verified. Now my mama choice to be this yo. Choice my mama.
Honey. My husband.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Hey, my liver. See what the sun does. See what I told you I need something very, very nice. Something special.
This smells really nice.
Do you know how long it took me to prepare this food?
I see.
Yes. Just a minute.
Don't let me down. I have been through
Hey.
a lot.
It's nice.
Thank you so much for
All in
coming
the
back.
name of love.
I can't waste it.
Yeah, if you devour finish devouring this one, you devour me, oh.
I should say it.
You tell me, oh. Hey, oh, Timo.
As I found you,
So,
I know you
this
are
is what
prepared
join
for
me.
this love.
Nah, you see this food? He's screaming, I know say. If I was cooking it, I said, this food is specially made for you. There's no other person that making it. Yes, it's for you, Adire.
Enjoy yourself. My husband. Husband of my dreams. Take. Sorry. What the boss said it too much. Right? No, sorry.
Fine.
So you were telling me what happened at the office?
Yes, this. Like I was saying, what happened at the office today? I
Come on, sit. Sorry.
No, like I was saying, one customer came and
I know, see. It's on me. Take. Sorry. Oh, see. Dos. I don't say. Stop now. Stop. No say. Chima. I don't say. No. Okay, remember. I don't say. What have I done? Anita. What not to attire? Chimo. Hey, where's my phone? Chimo! Chimo! Anozie! 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 Anozie, come. Jesus! Jesus!
Hello, babe.
Hey, Anita. Hello. Anita.
Hello. Calm down so that I can hear you. How? Okay, I am on my way. I am coming right now to you, okay? Just, babe, calm down, I'm coming.
I've never heard the fly before. Oh, Jesus, forgive me for all my sins. Jesus, Lord of Isaac, Shadrach and Abednego. Hey, Lord of Isaac. Hey, Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Anita, what happened?
Does he have ulcer? Did you ask so much, baby?
I don't know. I don't know, Anita. I don't know what is going on here. I don't know. He fell on the floor now. I don't know.
What happened?
The food. I finished preparing it and that thing that Papa said I should put inside. I put it inside. Yes, I did it. And we were here eating, we were talking. It was a small time, he just started coughing. I thought he wanted water. I gave him water. And before I knew it, he just collapsed.
Just like that?
Just like that. I don't know what is wrong.
Have you told anyone?
I've not told anybody.
Just me.
I called you first. Yes. Please. What is wrong with him? Is he sleeping?
I think he's dead.
Sige.
Has died.
Don't shout. Anita! Anozie.
Don't. If you stop, I am not even a doctor. I've not confirmed yet. Calm down.
Anita. No. If I had
Let me wake him up.
If I had known, I would have just stayed as a good wife. I would have just respected myself. I wouldn't have listened to you now. Wait.
I am not a bad friend.
No, but you say my husband is dead now. My husband is dead.
You were trying to save your husband, to win him over. That's it. I did not do anything.
This is not ordinary. I hope all is well.
Ano is it?
here. Just pass. I felt his presence. What just happened? Easier. Just could be a dream. But I felt his presence.
Your mother-in-law.
You know I can't talk to anybody. I can't talk to anybody. I can't answer any calls. I know it.
Do I tell her her son is dead?
No, call her. Okay, I should call her and tell her that her son is dead. What do you mean by that? Eh? Okay, just... Please. Just... Mother, calm down.
Maybe
calm
our intercessor to Jesus Christ.
Ify! Calm down. Let's figure out a way to handle this. We have to hide him first.
He was a good man. Oh.
Yes!
He was a good man. I was the troublemaker.
Oh, really?
And the devil now sent you.
You did not tell me you were the troublemaker.
Look, because he...
Calm down. Let's find it. Are you expecting anyone? I need to achieve you. I am too young.
Probably went out together. But why are their phones switched off? Maybe I'm actually overthinking.
Nine. I've been calling Anoze's number. It's switched off. Eh? Even that of his wife, it's also switched off. I'm not comfortable any longer.
Is that why you're worried? The man might be busy. Maybe he's at work. Or maybe the phone is not, there's a problem with the phone. What is your problem? You like it when you so. Huh?
Nah, it's not like that. With the feelings I am having.
Oh yeah, call him again. Why I get that phone? Call him.
Take that phone.
Call him, guys.
Nah, you forgot. He switched off. Nah, he switched off.
Don't worry, not to worry. What if stop yourself. You know you have BP. You want your BP to rise.
Nah.
You want your BP to rise, can I pay for us?
Nah, I'm having a feeling. With the feelings that I'm having, nah, I don't think that this is ordinary.
So you want to kill yourself? Anozie is fine. The wife is fine. Everybody is fine. When did he? Ha!
Nice one, please, I'm in a mess. You really need to help me. You need to help me. Just give me anything that I can give to him so that he can come back to life. Pikono, please.
Go and bury the dead.
Eh?
That was his fate. We cannot reverse the hand of time.
Nice one.
Wait. Smart one. Please, just give us something. Let's just give him so that he can come back to life. Hey, he can go elsewhere and die.
We cannot reverse the hand of time.
Hey!
Go. Bury the dead.
What you told me was that it was just, it was for him to come back to me. You didn't tell me death was involved now.
Go!
Say go. Thank you. See, I thank you. See, I thank you. See, I thank you. See, I thank you. Eh? My husband is dead and you are saying thank you. We'll find a way.
You all
Sophie, stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. God knows everything, my son. My son. Okay, stop crying. God knows everything. Stop crying. I love you. It's okay. Don't go out. What we are talking about is my son. Where my young son-in-law? Why? What do you want her to do? What do you want her to do? God knows everything. God will take it. God He was a good man. He was a good man. My daughter, sorry. Mr. Banana! Mr. Banana! Mr. Banana! Take heart, take heart. Hey!
Personally, I can't say how it happened. I'm speechless. You just need to take it easy, Mama.
My young in-law. My young in-law.
Simeon, do you know who they are talking about? That is dead. I don't say your friend. You should leave me alone. You should leave me alone. Nobody should touch me. Nobody should touch me. It's okay, my sister. Stop crying. Stop crying. God knows everything. Stop crying. Simeon, see me. See me. No, now. You would have taken me.
Lolo.
What do you want her to do? What do you want her to do?
Simon, you people are in the city together. How did it happen?
I actually can't explain myself. Everything happened all of a sudden.
Hey!
Take it easy. Please, Mama.
Hey!
Please, you just need to put yourself together. Look at your daughter-in-law. Please. You all need to say.
I will take it easy, Apollo. I want to find out what I see. I'm going to see. Do you know what this is? I know, say, my own son. I will see him.
Ife buche
Why did I even come here in the first place? Blood, the way he left, is so painful. I don't think I'll ever get over your sudden demise. Anozie. So, I'll be doing things alone from now on. Is that what it means? Get over you and everything we've ever shared. At least, let's share a dream. Cheers, my good friend. But Anozie. Did you see the look on your mother's face? I'm not even talking about your wife because she looks dead. Anozie. Now that you've gone ahead, don't worry about your family and your wife, because I'll take good care of them, because they are my family too. Yes, I will. As for this house and your car, I will give the keys to your wife. No, that's not ideal. I'll hold on to the keys for now. My good friend, cheers.
Girl, I am not a preacher, but I know the Bible said that all things are passed away, meaning your late husband is done and dusted. He's gone. So I need you to pick up your broken pace and get back to life. Right now, you look lifeless. He's dead. Life is for the living. Get up, do something. Now you can send money to your parents. You can buy whatever you want. You have the house all to yourself. So please just... Enough of this. This is not the girl I used to know. You are not vibing anymore. I need you to get up, please. This man is done. He's gone. Get a boyfriend. Do something. Go shopping. Go on, go on a vacation. Buy clothes, hairs, things you love to do. Hello? Hey. Am I even making sense at all?
Mama, I'm so sorry for not making our time to come and see you. I've just been very, very busy and hooked up with lots of other activities. I'm sorry, Mama.
My son, you don't need to apologize. I know how it is. Have you seen my daughter-in-law since you went back?
Yes, Mama. I've seen her a couple of times. Yes.
How is she doing?
She's fine. She's coping. And Mama, I'd like you to stop worrying so much about Ifebuche. And take good care of yourself, Mama. Okay?
It's okay. I'm only worried. She being a widow at such a young age. It's not easy.
You're right, Mama. It's actually not easy. But she'll be fine. Mama, I have something to tell you. You know, my friend bought a mansion and a car after he returned from his last trip to China. And as at the time, he said he didn't want Ifebuche to know about anything. So at this point, I think it is imperative that I hand over everything to you. So in here contains the document of the house and the papers of the car. You can have it, Mama.
Thank you, my son.
You're welcome, Mama. Mama, please, I want you to do me a favor. At this point, I'd like this to remain a secret between just you and I.
No problem.
Thank you, Mama.
I saw him earlier in the day. This night, on the bed. Now, vanish. Anita, Biko. Anita, I did not drink anything. I swear to God. Biko, you need to come to my house. I can't sleep here alone. No. I can't sleep here alone. Okay, I'm what's it?
Confess! Confess!
Okay. Confess! I'll confess. I'll confess. I'm not saying. I'll confess.
Confess!
What's going on? Come here. Hey, Anita, slow down.
I'm finished.
Slow down so that I can understand you. What's going on? You scared me.
I don't see.
Okay?
Bedroom. He's in this house. I
can't even see anybody. Hello? Is anybody in this house?
Stop shouting! He will come out. He's
not here. I am the only one here. I am the one talking to you and nobody else. Okay? So calm down and talk to me now. What is it?
I saw him.
Okay.
He was talking to me and he said, why did I kill him? I should confess. I should tell people that I killed him.
Why is he appearing to you now?
He's everywhere. He's everywhere. Appear here.
Okay, slow down. I am here now, okay? I got you.
Okay.
Right? I think his spirit is restless. That's why he's appearing to you. No. I think you've been thinking so much about him. You have him in your head. That's why you see him everywhere, you hear him speak. Listen, girl, you did not kill this man. You've never killed before, you're not a murderer, okay? It was his luck. No, his luck killed him. You didn't intend to kill him.
I caused his death. Don't you get it?
No, you did not.
I did.
You didn't kill him.
I know exactly what I'm saying.
Listen. His luck could not protect him. His luck, not you, my girl. You've never killed before. Stop it. I mean, just hug me. You'll feel better. Trust me. You need a hug.
Okay.
Come here. I'm here. Calm down. All right?
He's everywhere. Anita, he's everywhere. He's everywhere. He's there.
I cannot see him.
Okay.
Why are you behaving like this? Sit down. Sit down. I am here. Sit. Calm down. Okay? Okay. You feel the chair. Anita is here. I need you to go in there. Get me something to drink. Offer me something first.
Kitchen. Okay. You'll go with me. I cannot go there alone.
Okay, fine. I'll sit. I'll help myself.
No, I cannot stay here alone. Anywhere you go, I'll follow you.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Maintain your steeze and composure, okay?
You always ask for more. If ever change.
How are you doing?
Simeon, to be honest, I don't even know how to explain this, but thank God I'm fine.
I'm so sorry I've not been checking up on you. It's due to the fact that I've been busy and engaged. I'm really sorry.
It's alright, you don't have to.
I promise to do better.
Yeah, it's okay, you don't. I totally
confess for everything you did.
Are you okay?
Sir? Eh?
You mean, are you okay?
Yes, I am. I'm okay.
But you look tense.
Me? No, I mean, I'm fine. I'm doing good.
Are you sure?
No. Yes. I am fine. It's just something they did in church on Sunday. I'm just.
Oh, okay, no problem. In that case, I need to take my leave. So I should be on my way now.
You're leaving?
Yes, I am. In case you have any issue or any problem, do well to reach out to me.
Okay.
Alright. Are you sure you are okay?
Yes.
Okay,
I'm fine.
no problem. In that case, I'm leaving. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Alright then.
You're going?
Yes, I am.
To your house?
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, okay. Bye, sir.
Alright.
Okay, bye, sir. You really have to stop this. You don't understand what is going on. You don't understand. This man is driving me crazy. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. He's taking everything away from me. My peace, my joy, my life. Everything that makes me human is completely gone, and you're asking me to calm down.
Yes.
How?
Because you are human. I need you to calm down. This is not fun. You're beginning to scare me. Really?
You don't understand any of this. You don't get it.
Everything you did.
I'll confess. I'll confess. I'll confess. I'll tell them. I'll tell them how I killed you. How Anita took me somewhere and I put something inside your food and you slumped and died. I'll confess.
Okay. Stop. Please stop this. Alright? Alright? And you have nothing to confess about. Just stop it. Stop it.
You're lying. We killed him.
We?
Yes.
How?
They gave me something and I put it in his food and he ate it. And now he's saying I should confess. I need to confess. I need to tell the world what I did. How I killed my husband.
You've never killed before. Hey! She did not kill you! Just leave her alone! Leave us alone! Stop frustrating her! She did not do anything! Stop shouting at him! We killed him! We did not! You did not kill him! Alright? I don't know anything about this. Just sit down.
I'm going to tell them. If I'm James.
Hold on, I am talking to you. Stop it!
I should confess. I have to tell them. I have to tell them. If you would just stop, please. I'll confess. No. Oh my God, no.
Okay. You want to confess?
Yes. Okay, he said I should confess.
Okay, hold on. Let's plan it. You can't just confess. You did not kill anybody. I didn't take you anywhere, okay? Relax. Sit here. Relax. Sit down. Okay. I didn't kill anybody.
For everything you did.
Please. He was a mistake. I didn't mean to kill you. I didn't mean to kill you. I'm sorry.
Confess.
I'll confess.
Confess!
I'll confess.
Confess!
I'll confess.
Confess!
I'll confess. I'm sorry.
Confess!
I'll confess.
Confess!
Lucy. Chimo. How did I get into this? Lucy.
You always ask for more. If ever change, you always ask for more. Oh, we forgo if we bury one man alone. He's dead now. He's dead now.
Is she like that because her husband died? Or would that be the reason why Anita took her out that night? Because, I mean, she sees him everywhere. Did Anozi's death have that negative effect on her? Could it be that when she traveled, something bad might have happened? Or that messed up with her mental state and she didn't reach out to us? I don't really understand. Huh?
Mama Ifebuchi, did you fight with anybody?
I did not. I am waiting for you.
Waiting for me?
Yes. I'm waiting for you because if I do now, you say I'm causing unnecessary trouble.
Oginimelu.
Hey, my husband, did you know that I went to the ministry today? And the pastor told me that all the problems, all the fight that is happening in Ifebuche's marriage with her husband, that is called by Mama Anozie.
Are you sure?
Will I be lying with this kind of story? Eh?
So you are saying that just because her son died, she now decided to make my daughter mad. But that woman, I thought she's a good Christian.
My husband, did you not notice the way she was staring at Ifebuche that day the son died?
I noticed how she was looking at my daughter also, but I thought it's because Ifebuche always visits her at home, help her to do one or things. That's what I'm just thinking. But who will believe that that woman could do such a thing?
My husband, I know women like her. They look perfect on the surface, but on the inside, they are something else. Very wicked and manipulative.
If she likes, let her be the greatest witch. As for me, anyone that touches my daughter will not go scot-free at all.
You know, I will fight that woman. I will fight her with everything I've got. Physically, spiritually, anyhow, anywhere, I will fight her.
Calm down, no.
You see this one?
Calm down, no. Calm down, no.
I will fight this woman.
Because I know your kind of fight.
She will see. She will run away from this village. You see, Mama Anozie, I will give it to her. Hot, hot. What have you done to my daughter, you wicked witch?
What are you talking about? What happened to Ifebuche?
You know exactly what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. And you better start undoing whatever you have done to my daughter right now, or I'll come after you.
I am not afraid of your threats. Let me tell you, I'm not afraid of your threats. They are just me backing off at the cookie. Okay, my here we cookie. A cookie, have to go to so tiny. That is what you are. Come and get out of my house.
Fine and good. I will get out of your house. But if you ever try to attack my daughter again, I will come after you.
Is that can't get it?
I said I will come after you.
You can't get it. Get out. Get out.
Come and get out. Come now. Come if you have the power. I will chase you here in your house. You talk I said come. If you have the power.
Look, our in-laws are accusing us of their daughter's predicament. I heard she has mental issue.
My husband, that woman came here the other day, threatening me. I don't know if anything is wrong with that woman.
You see? And I heard she goes about the village telling people you made her daughter mad. How true is that?
Well, now, You are not the type of person that is bothered with such things. Why are you telling me now?
I find it hard to believe, But I want you to tell me yourself. Did you do it? Emelie?
You did not believe it. And you came to ask me. Obonna, you have known me for years. We are families.
Very true.
Ever since my husband, your brother, died, you remained the only family that we have. Why are you now coming to ask me, questioning me about what that crazy woman said? Eh?
I don't believe anything she said. It's just that I came to talk to you, and hear from you. I just can't sit around and watch people paint our family name black. What?
I did not do it. Ifebuche is like a daughter that I never had. Why would I want to make her mad? Eh? With what she has been through, losing her husband, what do I stand to gain?
I've already reported to the authorities. We'll go about it soon, very soon.
You've already reported to them?
Yes, so. Do you expect me to sit down and watch them taunt you for something you did not do? Hey. And Erika, tomorrow morning, first thing tomorrow morning, I'm going to Mr. Okafor's house to confront him.
Now you have to go.
I have to go and confront him.
Go. This is getting out of hand. Eh? What is it? What have I done in this village? Eh? Have I offended anybody in this village? Why must I be accused? It's such a thing. Eh? Oh yeah, okay, Jegu. Na madu mere madu buo madu meyara. Hey! I don't know anyone, anything. God, help me.
Okafor, I seriously don't understand why your wife is going about spreading rumors all about my brother's wife. How is it her fault?
I have always thought of your family as responsible. But since I gave my daughter to you, it has always been one problem to the other. Now, you want to push her away with madness, isn't it?
Okafor. Okafor, I believe you still have some atom of wisdom in your brain. Okafor, call your wife to order. If your family women are running wild, ours are responsible. Do you understand?
I don't blame you. Yes, it's Ifebuche that gave you opportunity to insult us like this. It's not your fault.
Okafor, I thought you could settle this amicably. But I promised you wanted Okafor. That thing you were looking for, you will see it. That's your promise, Okafor. Trust me.
The pastor said the mother is doing all this because of her son.
Eh? What's the meaning, Mama? You mean? Mama... No, Mama, it's not possible. There's no way.
It is possible.
Anozia's mother?
Yes. She's doing all this because of her son. Because of the son's death. And she thinks you are responsible for the son's death.
I don't understand. They think I killed Anozia.
Exactly. The other day, the uncle came to the house and was threatening your father. I'm telling you.
Hi. Why are you on your job? After everything I did for her.
She's not even remembering all those ones. All what she thinks now is how to avenge her son's death. So, that is the more reason why you should use the oil the pastor gave to me. Don't joke with it. Rub it as you're going to bed this night. Rub it all over your body and keep it very close to you at all time so that you use it. Please, I don't want anything to happen to you.
No, nothing will happen to me, Mama. No problem.
Then, what are you saying? Don't you think it's better you go with me to the pastor's place?
Mama, no, there will be no need for that.
There is need, though.
Mama, I said don't worry, there is no need for that.
Are you okay?
Yes, of course, I'm fine. I'm just surprised that this woman can actually, think of me in that manner.
You don't know that woman. You don't know that woman. But all I just say is, we have to be very, very careful. Please, my daughter, please.
No problem, Mama.
Okay, let me go and...
I didn't do anything. I am innocent.
Look here.
I am innocent.
Look at you. You cannot fool everyone here. Even it was confirmed by the man of God.
Most of which are fake.
The man of God is not fake.
Which man of God?
The man of God is not fake. He has been performing miracles. The man of God is not fake.
What will I gain by doing so? I even pity my daughter-in-law for being a widow at such a young age.
Look at who is talking. Which? You know what he did? The same charm you used in tying her when she was in this village, enslaving for you. That same charm you are doing. Now you are pretending. I know your type. I know you. Undo whatever you did to my daughter. Undo it, because you have me to go. Undo it. I am warning you. Which?
What I will have done now.
Why you're just waking? Mama Nozie. I will not come back here again. But whatsoever you know you have done to my daughter, you better undo it. Otherwise, my dear, let's go.
Undo it, you know me. You know me. Undo what you did. Undo it.
Undo it.
Now you give a kindness. I don't make you when my can you make me. You might came in jacket. You might came in there. Oh no, but I can't.
They are not worth it.
How can you accuse me of such a thing? Are you not a winch? I'm asking you, are you not a winch? Everyone knows it. You spoiled your son's marriage and now you made his wife mad. Are you not a winch? How can you accuse me of such a thing? I'm asking you, are you not a winch after killing your son and made his wife mad? Winch woman. Winch.
You always ask for more. If ever change, you always ask for more. Oh, we go if we bury one madala. Oh, we go one madala. He's dead now. Wamadala. He's dead now.
Oh. What have I done to deserve this? You would have taken my life instead of my son's life. Sorry.
Mama, please. Stop crying. I know the pain this must have caused you. But I promise, whoever did this will not go scot-free. I'm still here. I'm here, Mama. Mama.
This world is very, very bad. What have I done? What have I done to deserve this? God, why me? Why me?
Mama Nozie.
Anozie.
What is it? What is the problem?
The people of this village are correct. Once I pass, everybody will start talking. They believe I did something to Ifebuji. I am innocent.
Mama Nozie, I believe you're innocent. That family is a bad family. We have not had peace ever since we went to take their daughter. But believe me, the whole family believes in you. We trust you. You didn't do anything wrong. You are innocent. Yeah, smile for me. Yeah, smile. Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
My sister, Ifebuchi is suffering presently because of that woman. And she has refused to come back.
You can do something without her coming back.
Is that? See, I have done everything. No, I have done. See, I've gone to the church. I have done traditionally. I have done medically. Which one again? There's nothing they asked me to do that I have not done. And yet,
my brother, listen to me. I have a friend of mine. He is a strong herbalist.
I've tried anything. I'm ready to do anything. Even if it takes me killing that old witch, I am ready.
My brother, you will not kill anyone. He doesn't do that kind of a thing. But he will help you. He doesn't collect shishim. He doesn't collect money.
Doesn't collect money?
Bam!
That's a correct, a strong and real traditional healer. He knows what he's doing. So how do we do now? I'm ready for anything.
I will take you there.
Yeah,
I will take you there.
Thank you. Yeah, it's good.
Trust your sister now.
That is, I will come to your house now.
You didn't do this thing well. You're butting well.
Oh, that's good.
Butting well.
You're always looking after me. That's why I love you.
You look good now.
Thank you. I believe from where I'm going now, there will be solution.
Amen.
Towards our daughter's ailment. But then I beg you, please, don't go and confront Mama Nozie for now. Just cool it down. Because, see, I strongly believe that this place I'm going to, there will be a solution for our daughter.
You say...
when I get there. So please, please, I know you very well, oh. Pepper body.
I've heard what you said. I've heard what you said.
Just calm down.
I will not go.
And then, tell Chizo, that thing I asked her to do, tell her to be fast about it.
I will tell her. 9.
Okay.
1. Jane Former. You go well, eh?
Okay.
Go well. Before you come back, prepare your delicious meal.
Don't worry, everything will be okay.
Amen.
Adamarama.
I'm
coming, let me go and come.
All right.
I'll be back.
Okay. Ijoma. Ijoma.
Any man or any woman that is pursuing you, refusing you to have your peace, may all that is evil plans return back to him or her 100-fold. Ifobuche, anyone aiming at you and pointing accusing fingers at you, let those fingers return back to them 1,000-fold. Ifebuche, you are my daughter, my flesh and my blood, and I'm standing on our land, the land of our forefathers, our ancestors. This land will favor you, will protect you. Whatsoever is coming from your husband's house, thinking that it is you, and they are doing you evil, let it return back to them. Ifebuche, you will not die. You will live. You will born boys, girls for us. We will carry our grandchildren. Nobody will be able to stop this. And as I have spoken, so shall it be.
It
is done.
It is done. Kepurukore.
I hope you are happy now.
Very, very happy.
It is done.
It is done. Not too much though. So now, whatever you want.
Give me Gary.
Okay, Gary.
It's
Olubu soup.
Olubu?
Just calm down. I'm coming.
I'm waiting for you.
Mama. Thank you very much, my son. No. Honestly speaking, I am very, very grateful.
Mama, please don't mention. Mama, Anozie was like a brother to me. So, and I promised him that I was going to take good care of you. Mama, please, whenever you need anything, I mean anything like this, don't hesitate to call me. And I'll always come through for you, Mama.
Oh, Mama.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Drive safely.
You, Mama.
Hey.
Take care, Mama.
Thank you.
Take
Bye bye.
Mama.
You always ask for more. If ever change, you always ask for more. Oh, we go if we marry. One madala, one madala. Oh, we go one madala. He's dead now. One madala. He's dead now. One madala.
Wait. Mama Anozie, I was even coming to see you.
I got one. You can't have one no, in a hurry. Where are you up to?
I want to ask you something. Yes.
What is it?
I want to know who did it for you.
Who did what?
Your witchcraft. Yes. Which native doctor did it for you?
I traveled to Jabode. There, I went there and did my charm to kill you.
Hey!
Obaginaru?
Yes, Obaginaru. Which? Which? Ijabo down will kill you. You and the Ijabo there and which? Look at her. Look at her. Hey! Don't worry. Wait for me. Useless woman. Which?
You always ask for more.
Nine. Should I bring the food here or you eat inside?
I'll eat here.
Okay, you eat outside.
Yes.
Chisom! Chisom! Yes, Mama. Please bring the food for your father. Chisom, be fast, oh, he's hungry.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Yeah. Go and get the food.
You've eaten.
Because you don't want to give me a saying I've eaten. Are you there when I ate?
No, I just ask. I'm asking. I say, you have eaten.
Why will you say I've eaten? Were you there?
Okay. Papa. There's love in sharing.
Wash your hand. Chisom, yes, I hope you and your sibling have eaten.
Yes, Mama.
Chisom, thank you. My daughter.
Okay, Papa.
Now, let me help you.
Observe the soup first.
The soup. Don't you trust my cooking again? You don't trust my cooking again?
The soup is okay.
Eat.
I believe Chisom is the one that cooked this one, eh?
As if I don't know how to cook again.
I didn't see anything like that.
Even at that, I raised them well.
Oh, yeah. Good mother.
I raised them well.
Good mother.
Nice, eh?
Okay.
Enjoy your meal.
I'm doing that.
Hey, Nine. I don't understand that woman. Mama Lozi. It seems she really went to Ijabode.
You know, by now, I'm thinking that she would have been mad. Maybe she needs more time before she gets crazy. Because I know that charm cannot fail. It can never fail.
She's like a real witch. A strong and stubborn witch. But we will continue to do this until she pays for all her evil deeds to our daughter.
Did you give Ife Buche that oil?
I gave it to her.
And you instructed her how to use it?
Exactly. I instructed her on what to do. That she should pour it on her head 4 times and keep it close to her bed before she goes to sleep.
Ah, good.
Yes.
That's very good. Hey, that woman, she's thinking she's a strong witch. But, you know something? Every charm has an expiring date.
Exactly.
And as for me, I will not rest until I make sure she goes down for what she has done to my daughter.
Odogunwoke, my husband is talking. That is what I want you to be doing. And she must go down.
Go down.
She must.
She must do what?
Go down.
I will chew her like I'm chewing this meat.
Hey, Odogu.
Hello? Hello? Ifebuche. Ifebuche, nwa m ka ime. Adị mma. Ka ekwana. Ifebu. Hold on. I won't take your time. Dem obere oge ka m gwa gị something. You know? Hey. Simeon said, hey, Chelu, hold on, let me just, I won't take your time, hold on.
You always ask for more. If ever change.
She has been avoiding me. Each time I call her, she will not pick. Or she will tell me that she's busy. She's still working. After all, Simon said she has stopped working. Has her mother brainwashed her that I'm the cause of her predicament? I'm only trying to tell her about her husband's property. Well, is she mad? As they said. I don't know. Well, as a mother-in-law, I am trying to do my best. I'm trying my best as a mother-in-law. I will not kill myself if she tried to avoid me. That's why it's her business, so me, I have tried.
If a woman, never oh, one no
Wise one. I am not happy. Nothing has changed from our last visit to this shrine. It's obvious the protection is not working. Because his spirit keeps appearing here and there. It's not nice.
I don't know what to make out of this, Wise One, but please, you really need to do something. This man appears literally everywhere in my life. I turn to my left, he's there. I turn to my right, he is there.
And the worst part is that when he appears, she begins to act insane, as if she's running mad or she wants to go crazy.
It's not about me running mad. I am mad. Wise One, I am mad, and now he's doing something. He's asking me to go to the village to confess.
The spirit is stubborn, and that will make him suffer in my hands.
Wise One, what do we do? We need to do something fast. This spirit has to be taken care. I don't care what it costs. I don't care what it is I have to do. We just need to do something about this.
We will bind his spirit so that he doesn't move any longer.
Okay. How do we go about that?
Get me any of his clothes. Yes. A chain and a padlock. I will take it from there.
Okay, Wise One.
I am not arguing with the courts, but I hope this one works. You were paid heavily. Were you not paid? Please, I don't want her to go and confess and put me into any trouble. I'm too young to visit the prison. I don't want to go to jail.
Get me what I asked you to get for me. Go! Anazie! From today I bind your spirit. How you died is no longer our business. You are dead, and you should not disturb your wife any longer. Go to the land of death and allow the living to live their life in peace. Go! And don't disturb them again. I bind your spirit. I bind your spirit. I bind your spirit, Anazie. Take this. Yes. Sprinkle it around your premises. It will no longer disturb you. Take!
Oh yeah, take it. He did not collect body snake. Carry it. The last time I was the one that collected body snake.
Is her husband, not mine.
Are you not a friend to the husband, the person that died?
I have never been married before.
Young lady, stop wasting my time and take this.
You have muscle, you have morale. Morale, oh yeah. Morale, carry, let's go. I will go back to the office.
Carry, I'm solidly behind.
Are you ready to take this or should I take it back?
No, she will take it. What are friends for? I'm only helping a sister.
Go and do what I ask you to do. Her spirit will no longer disturb you.
Thank you, wise man.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you, wise man. Uncle, let's go. Put your hand under.
And carry it.
Let's help me now. It's heavy.
Let me hold your waist.
Confess everything you did.
Just leave her alone. She has suffered a lot in your hands. Leave her alone. My friend, I did for you. Go back to the grave. You don't belong here. I don't say go back.
Confess everything you did.
I'm begging you. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm tired. Leave her alone. Leave her alone before my friend runs mad. Leave her alone. Eh? What kind of restless spirit are you?
Confess! Confess everything you did.
I'll confess. I'll confess. I'll confess. I'll confess. I'll confess. Oh, don't mind it. I'll confess. I'll confess. Anita. I'll confess. Anna said, die by fire.
Confess everything you did.
Okay. I will confess. I will confess, Anosiem. I will confess. I promise I will confess. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I will confess. I didn't mean to do this. I didn't mean to. I'll confess. I'll confess. I'll confess. I'll confess.
Kwala butu kwa sisa nata nono kwa nebelika bala kantie. Hebelika nebelika kwa sere bele tupa. La vara no makra chicha bati bele. Hade me je ba kwa noi.
Don't touch him! Don't touch him. Jimmy, don't touch him. We have to wake him up if he's sleeping now.
You want to wake the wise one? Ha! Don't try it, oh! Don't touch him. Let's go. We'll look for solution elsewhere.
He was the one that started the problem, so you want to go and look for solution elsewhere. Imoma?
Okay, you want to wake him?
Why won't I wake him up?
I wake him now. Wake him. Let's go and leave here.
Wise one. Wise one. Why is he not waking up?
Keep waking him.
He's your friend now. Why is he
How is he my friend?
Are you not the one that brought me here?
He's not my friend. Stop calling him my friend. Wake him up and let's talk to him.
He's not waking up now.
So how is it my fault?
Hi. Wise one. Wise one. Are you sure this man is still alive? He's not reacting. He's not moving. Or is he sleeping?
Is this his bedroom? Do people sleep in shrine? Let us go. I don't want trouble. I don't want trouble from the gods.
I need to go on. The only problem I was having before I met you was just quarrel between me and my husband. Now I'm talking about murdering somebody. I'm talking about coming to a shrine that I have never been to all my life. I am talking about waking another dead man inside the shrine again.
That is how life is now. Involve me. Now I don't involve you, Abi. Follow who no road. I don't show you road. See road. Follow.
This is no road, this is water. How could you have done this to me now? Hi!
I didn't do anything. Come. Let's go to church. Because I remember the Bible said in the book of Timothy, oh, you with heavy load or heavy burden, come to me and that will give you rest, life, anything. But let's just go to God first. Let's go. Help will come from there. There's no power in this.
Why are you looking at me like that? Anita, you are the one talking about church. Yes. Eh? In fact, I don't know what to say to you.
Tried other means.
Why so?
Please, I want to leave here. I don't want to be involved in anything. I don't want to fight with the gods. Please, don't come out.
Wise one, stand up. Stand up. Hi. Chinwo. Anita, I am tired. I think the best thing for me to do is just to confess so that I can be free. Yes!
No, please. Don't even think of doing that. You know the outcome. If you do that, you will lose everything you've worked for. Your parents, they will reject you and the whole world will kick against you.
Okay. So what am I supposed to do now? Everything we have tried is not working. Okay, see the native doctor. We were together, you saw him, the young man is dead. What are we supposed to do?
I know someone who will definitely give us a solution.
Trust me. Anita, I am not sure about this. I am scared about everything. This man keeps following me everywhere. He embarrasses me in public. He might just end up killing me one day.
He will not kill you. Let's try this other person. I'm sure it will work.
Anissa, are you sure about this?
I am sure. Let's just try first. Let's try first. I'm thirsty. Can I get something to drink? Even if it's water.
Are you sure you will not go to the kitchen with me? Okay, don't worry.
This is not your house. I beg. Just relax. They fear dead body. No level. Don't die, don't die. Life is for the baby.
What is wrong with you? Mama, I'll confess. You confess it. I'll confess. Mama, I messed now. I killed Anosie. I killed him anyway. It was a mistake. I didn't mean to do it. I was trying to get him back to come back to loving me because I had pushed him away. So my friend took me to a native doctor and they gave me a potion to put inside his food. And the native doctor said I should put small. I emptied the whole can inside the food. And he ate it and then coughing blood. Please. Mama, be quiet. I didn't mean to do. Hey, Ifebuche! What is it? Ifebuche, what is it? Hey! Let me stop!
Hey! Hello! Hello!
Ifebuche, please don't do this to me!
Okachi! Okafor! Take this your hostage out of here immediately! Okafor! Are you deaf? I said take your hostage out of here now!
Please. It was all my fault. I was the one that suggested my son. Hey!
Mama Nozie, this was not your fault. It is not your fault. If they put you here, she's greedy. Her greed has caused all this. What?
Please.
Okafor! Get this thing away from my house so I can't get away from this place.
Please. Please, I beg you all. Have mercy on my daughter. It's all my fault. It's all my fault. I caused everything.
Ifebuche, listen and listen good. Yes, I don't want you to be a fool for Anozie. Yes, Anozie has been using you as a fool. Don't play that fool with him. Do you understand what I'm saying? Take as much money you can take. Yes. Take and take and take. Do you understand me now? For your future. For all your needs. Don't just play a fool with him. Take as you can. Please don't be a fool for him. If he starts complaining, let him know that you are the one running the whole thing. Let him know that you are the queen of that house. Don't just be soft with him. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes, my daughter. Play smart. You are the queen, so show him that. Yes. Do as I said. Not small money, plenty money. Yes, yes. All right now. Wait. There's something I forgot to tell you. Listen. What I'm saying is this. If he tries to show you that I am the man of the house, now. You are your mother's daughter. So, space. Yes, don't give him any breathing space. Yes. Save enough. Yes, for tomorrow. That's my daughter. I trust you. I know you can do it. Alright, dear. Take care. Okay.
Please, I beg you. I beg you. Mercy, don't allow my daughter to die. Don't allow my daughter to die. Please, I beg you. My husband, where are you going? Come on, let me see our daughter, please. Come on,
See what your greed has cost you. See what your greed has cost you. If I had my ways, I will strangle you with my own hand. My bare hands, I will strangle you. Take away from here. What?
Don't do this to your mother.
Hey!
You always ask for more. If ever change, you always ask for more. Oh, we go if we marry. One man
How do I face people? How do I confront my kinsmen? Hey. See the mess my wife and my daughter has put me into. How do I rub the shame away? Hey. I'm in a mess. I'm in a mess. Serious one. Oh. Hey.
You kill him because of selfish.
Ifeme Emego, you have to take heart. We are just grateful to God that the whole burial was successful. And at least we believe right now, and as your spirit will rest in peace. But there's something I want to assure you. I have always been your family, and I will always be your family. I will always be here for you. Whenever you need me, I'll be here. Ifeme Omego. And on the other hand, we should be happy that Anazia avenged his death. Who will ever think that Ifebuche will do this to us? After all the love you showered on that girl, It's painful, I know. It's agonizing. But you have to put everything behind. Biko, you know, I am a woman. But like I promised you, I will always be here for you. You go. Take heart. Take heart. And don't forget your drugs. Always take your drugs. Do you understand me? Take it easy.
You always ask for more. If ever change, you always ask for more. Oh, we forgo if we marry. One madala. Oh, we forgo. One madala. He's dead now. One madala. He's dead now. One madala. One madala. One madala. One madala. My baby's if a woman, never best, oh, one no cataract, if I put your